Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to add a page on Squarespace in just a couple of minutes. I'll be showing you this in the Squarespace web editor. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main menu. Click on Pages. This opens the Pages panel where you can see all the pages that currently exist on your site and control your site structure. Now look for the plus icon. You'll see it right next to where it says Main Navigation at the top of the Pages panel. Click that plus icon. A new panel will pop up showing you all the different types of pages you can add to your site. Click Add Blank at the top. You'll then see the option to choose Page. Click Page to create a blank page you can design from scratch. A text field will appear asking you to name your new page. Type in whatever title you want for your page. Once you've typed it in, press Enter on your keyboard. The page will now appear in the list on the left side of the Pages panel in your navigation structure. If you want to start adding content to your new page right away, click on the page name in the Pages panel to select it. Then look at the top left corner of your editor and click the Edit button. This opens the page editor where you can start adding sections and blocks to build out your content. Just a couple of things to keep in mind. When you add a page to your navigation, Squarespace automatically creates a link for it in your site header, so it'll show up in your menu right away. You can rename your page anytime by double-clicking on its name in the Pages panel and typing in something new. You can also drag and drop pages in the list to change the order they appear in your navigation. And remember, any changes you make here are just in the editor. You'll need to click the Publish button to make them live on your actual website. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.